Hey guys, I bought this JBL 3 from this guy. Well, the chores part was smashed in, so somebody bought it and returned to the store, and I guess the store was like sell this to this guy, so he's selling it, and I bought it for like $20. It's not a bad deal, but I put on myself a challenge to see if I can make this thing work. Well, when I opened this thing, man, this thing was complicated. So, um, I, I couldn't fix the charred port, but I rigged something up, and it works. So, uh, it sounds good. I make it work for me for $20. Not bad. I put it in my car and play music for my kids, stuff like that. So, it's usable. It was a challenge. I was taking the thing up and see what I can do with it. Kind of experimental, but I make it work. So, for $20, that's it. For this speaker, sound pretty good. Not bad. Good experience that I'm taking this to, and see what's all they put together in this JBL in there. Make it a little complicated, but you can do it. It's just taking the time. Just don't break any part when you open up. That's all it is to it. And if you know some kind of wire connection, and that help. But otherwise, I'm not professional at this, but it's kind of a fun project for me, and I got it done. Well, I kind of give you an idea, make this video and give you an idea what could all go on in here. You've got the battery there, kind of the back up and up. There's some screws you need to unscrew it. I have to take the charge port and the what's that part that you can plug in, but I'm using the Bluetooth, so I don't worry about that little plug-in wire thing, the what you call it, Kozak or port or something like that. But regardless, that had to come out because I pried the thing and kind of cut the wire to it, so I had to take it all out. So what I do here, I connect all the wire to the other wire, power to the power port to get the power. And now I'm hooking up with the Bluetooth and see how it sounds.